In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your eBay listings for both the US and Canada. Adding videos can significantly boost the appeal of your items by giving potential buyers a more comprehensive view of what you're selling, helping them make informed decisions. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, you're going to visit eBay's website. Depending on your location, you'll head over to either ebay.com if you're in the US or ebay.ca for Canada. Once you're there, log into your account. After logging in, you'll want to go to My eBay where you'll find the selling section. This is your gateway to the seller hub where all your selling activities are managed. Once you're in the seller hub, navigate to the listings tab. Here you have the option to either create a new listing or edit an existing one. Choose whichever option suits your needs. Whether you're adding a video to a newly created listing or enhancing an existing one, the steps are pretty much the same. In your listing creation or editing page, look for the photos and video section. Here you should see an option to add. Click on that and it will prompt you to select a video file from your computer. It's important to note that eBay accepts video files in MP4 or MOV formats, and the file size must be under 150 MB. Ensure that your video meets these requirements to avoid any uploading issues. After you've selected and uploaded the video file, it doesn't appear instantly. eBay must review it first, and this process can take up to 24 hours. So don't worry if you don't see it right away, just make sure any time-sensitive listings are planned accordingly to accommodate this review period. Remember, eBay currently allows only one video per listing, so you'll want to make that video count. When creating your video, aim for a duration of 1 to 2 minutes. This is the sweet spot to keep viewers engaged while providing valuable information. Show your product in action or being used in a way that highlights its features. Additionally, if your product has any flaws or unique textures, include them in the video. Demonstrate any moving parts or do size comparisons if relevant. Natural lighting will give your video the best look, and a clean background will help maintain the focus on your product. Lastly, bear in mind that eBay prohibits certain elements in videos. Avoid including logos, contact information, music, or watermarks. Keeping your video straightforward and focused on the product ensures it aligns with eBay's guidelines and enhances your listing's effectiveness. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling eBay listings with video content that captivates your audience and showcases your products in the best possible light. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.